All right, so to use a sound or create a sound in Moddio, we first need to, well, create it. And we can do that in the Environments tab. We go to the Sounds tab, and we can add new. You can see I've already created one where it's a tree hit. Now you can add a new, give it a name, and give it a file, where here you would simply upload a file that you've added from your computer. Now my tree sound, I've simply searched up tree sound MP3 online, and I downloaded it. It's probably better to find royalty free or something that you have the rights to. Now I'm going to delete this new file here, and we have this one already, so it has a name and we can use it. Now, how do we use it? Well, that's what we'll look at right now. So let's head over to our world script, and I've added two examples, and I'm going to explain why I've done this. Kind of as an example, I kind of learned this as I was doing it. Now, here we have a play tree hit sound at position of last triggering unit. Now, this might make sense, and just to kind of show where the sounds are, we have three sound functions: play sound at position, play sound for player, or stop sound for player. Now we're going to use the stop play sound at position. And here we're just playing the sound tree hit. Click this. You can select other sounds if you have any, but I only have one. And the position, we're doing entity position because that kind of makes sense. We want to play the sound at the player. But the question is, how do we access the player? Well, you would think maybe we can do the last triggering unit. And this does work sometimes. And if we hit save and apply, and I hit play, you can see it sometimes works. Actually, it works on the second attempt sometimes. But the reason it didn't work that first time, if you noticed, is because the last triggering player may not always be the player, because there's other things in our world interacting with each other. There's the monster, the bear hitting the pigs, etc. So what we need to do is use this guy. Place sound tree hit at position of the last attacking unit, as that one would probably make more sense for the last triggering unit instead. So we're going to delete this instead and use it so that it's the last position of the attacking unit, because the attacking unit would be the player. The player just attacked. And now you can see whenever I attack a tree, it plays the hit effect. And there we go. That's how we implement sound inside of Moddio.